I just want it. I already messed up. All right, fit check. Oh, this is so cute. For dinner, we're having fajitas. Ah, Berkeys. Oh, raspberry. Lettuce. Why is it so dark in here? Anyway, I got my coffee. Wait, you can't even see me. I got my coffee. Sip. Yeah, it's okay. I've been using the Emma Chamberlain coffee to make my espresso, and like, it's not good. So today we have many things to do. I have to do my makeup because I have to film some videos. Then I have to go pick up a friend from the airport. We have to pick up the pottery from Color Me Mine, Johnny B and I, because if you guys remember from my last video, you're supposed to pick up the pottery within a week, and we low-key forgot, and today's the last day, so we have to go pick that up today. And then after that, I think that's pretty much all I have planned. I do need to clean my room for the 50 millionth time this week. But yeah, let's go. Oh! Hi guys, we're back here at my makeup table, aka my office table, and we're gonna quickly do our makeup. I'm running late as usual, and there's a Broken Planet launch drop today at 12 p.m. so I'm like, I need to get a hoodie because that hoodie is like, if I don't get that hoodie, I don't even know. I freaking love Broken Planet so much, and like I always see their stuff on my Instagram. I'm like, ah, I just want it. I better win the drop because like, if I don't, I'm gonna cry. Anyway, let's do our makeup. I started using foundation, and not the way I literally said I started using foundation. Like, I literally started using this yesterday, okay? Anyway, so it's this YSL All Hours foundation. I did receive it in a PR package, but I started using it yesterday. I couldn't really like it because like I used to use concealer. I still use concealer. I use concealer here and then like here and like just like the little areas. I started using concealer basically all over my face, and then now I'm like, maybe I should just get a foundation. Like if I'm gonna put it all over my face, I might as well just use an actual foundation that's like made for doing this type of stuff. So yeah, like my skin looks really good with this foundation. It has a sunscreen built in it too, so it's like a 2-in-1. Ah. A little bit different today. I'm gonna do it like your mom Ashley. She's so pretty. Oh, okay. So she just does her eye like this. Yeah, okay. It's just like a small little wing, and then there's like a little bit of like eyeliner on the bottom. Thing is, her eye shape is like different than mine. I already messed up. I made the wing way too big. I'm gonna smoke it out with some gel eyeliner. Okay, I think I did the eyeliner really good. Okay, she has like a little shimmer she puts on her eyelids. Also, I realized that she does her blush like more in the middle of her face, so I'm gonna do that too. I think it looks cute. We'll just go with it. Okay, this is the final look. I did a really bad job. Like, Ashley's makeup is more clean, natural. Mine is like, I think it's more intense. I don't know, maybe it's because I have more intense features, or like I just put really intense makeup on. Whatever, we're done, let's move on. Okay, I changed my shirts. I'm gonna start filming my UGC videos. Oh my god, guys, I'm filming and it's 11:54 and I totally forgot about the Broken Planet drop. Hold on, I have 5 minutes. I need to get my credit card. Okay. There's like all these hoodies which are super cute, and then I want a beanie. Adorable. I'm so excited, guys. You don't understand how much I want this. I'm gonna get a size large. I think I like the more oversized look. 1 minute, okay. Okay, 30 seconds. Wait, why is it sold out? It's literally 12. No, what? Okay, it's because I was like on the pages already. I'm in line to check out, okay. Okay, hold on. Guys, I got it! Oh my god, I'm so, wait, yay! Okay guys, oh my god, sorry, I have this hat on still. I was doing a skit for the video, but anyway, I have to go now because I gotta go to the airport. I look crazy. Let me put an outfit on, but let's go. All right, fit check. Uniqlo top, as usual. Beginning Boutique, black puffer, and random sweats I thrifted. Cool. And I think we're just gonna go without a purse because I'm just gonna come back right after. All right, Bye, see ya. There's literally no time to be aesthetic right now and do like a quick, like cute montage. I'm just gonna put like my Crocs on and then we gotta go. Okay guys, I set up my phone in the car. This is crazy. But we gotta go. I'm late. I'm so freaking late. Wow, this is so cute. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. It's so pretty in the background. Look at the clouds. Oh my god. I'm like in the airport. I always get so stressed at the airport because like there's so many signs and there's like so many things everywhere. Like I have no idea. I have to go to like Terminal A, arrivals. Why is everyone driving so fast? Like relax. We are here. Oh. Okay, good. I'm in the right lane. Hi. Okay, I'm back home. I'm back in my PJs and I'm gonna go eat some lunch because I'm starving. Also, I texted Genevieve and like she's not responding. I don't know where she is, but like we kind of have to go and I don't know where she is. So we definitely need to go pick up the pottery thing today though. So I really hope we can make it before it closes.
Pay for $3.60.
Wow.
Oh, by the way, I have a 30% off.
Look how messy my room is, guys. I mean, this is honestly not that bad compared to like what it was before, but I'm trying to like clean up all of this stuff. I like emptied out this so I can put like a whole bunch of my clothes over there. It's a lot. I just gotta clean because like the more I put this off, the worse it's gonna get.
Look, little beanie. Hi.
You're so cute. Okay, so I'm trying to like clean this so I can put like my clothes in here because like right now everything was just like shoved in the corner and I gotta clean it all up. So let's do that. Now I can put like more clothes in here. Before it was like just shoe boxes. Okay, so I've decided that I'm gonna put jeans and stuff there because I feel like with the drawer I want to keep like my PJs. I'm gonna move all my jeans that are here like in this drawer thing over there. Just because like I don't really reach for them often and like having them be over here is just easier for like when I go out and stuff. I feel like that's all I have. I have these like leather pants. Oh, and I have another pair of leather pants stuck in here. See, like I put stuff like all over the place. And then I'll just keep like all my PJs in the drawers. Okay, I decided that I'm gonna put pants on the bottom one. Like soft type of pants where it's like comfy, casual vibes. And like sweats and stuff will go in there too. Okay, I also have a genius idea. I'm gonna put like all my drinks, Alani New energy drinks and like pre-workout and like all my workout stuff on this bottom corner. Oh, this isn't gonna fit. Okay, that didn't really work out. Okay, so it's 6 p.m. It's like really dark outside. If you guys haven't noticed, cleaned my room a bit. It doesn't look extremely clean, but like there's nothing in this corner here, which is like amazing for me. And then over here, I cleaned up some of the bags and then I kind of like shoved it in. Like when you walk in, it's like not as cluttered. I'm proud of myself. And Genevieve texted me, so we're gonna go pick up our pottery. No, because why is it so cold right now? Ooh, okay, we're in the car. I'm so excited because for dinner we're having fajitas. Well, I've never made fajitas before, so we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, bye. See ya. Hello. Berkeys? Okay, we're gonna go to the mall and pick up our Color Me Mine. Back at the mall.
It's kind of a vibe, right?
I need to get some. I think you should. You want to try it on? Yeah. Wait, not in the store.
What do we do? Mismatch?
Oh my god.
That's so cute.
This is so cute. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wait.
So adorable. Mine's only one piece, so it's like there's only one reaction. Good. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, it's so cute. It's so good.
I'm excited. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, yay.
We're gonna go check mochi nuts.
It's just a repeat of last time.
If they're like fresh, we're gonna get them. But if they're not fresh, we're not gonna get them.
Oh, I just saw a preview of someone's box. Like, it's not good. It looked weird.
Wait.
Yeah, I gotta get it. I have to get it.
She wants the cookies and cream.
Yeah, I'm getting.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mochi nut. Mochi nut just fucking smack, dude. I should take a photo of this.
Okay, raspberry.
I don't really want the raspberry. No. Let me get one thing of it. I'm not a raspberry connoisseur.
Cheers.
The only raspberry thing
Is the syrup.
Yeah. Tastes like a mochi.
But the
donut.
inside is good. Why is that one like that?
Why is it connected? I still like the matcha one better.
The matcha I think is the best. It's kind of like it's not as sweet, I think.
Churro?
Oh wait. Well, I like this one. You know Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
Is it that?
It's a Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yummy.
Yeah, that was good.
Okay. See ya. We're going. Okay, I dropped off Johnny and I'm home now. It's fajita time.
Bell peppers, onions, woo!
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mí.
We got some steak here. Ooh. We got some, what is this? Lettuce?
Lettuce?
Hey guys, so I just finished dinner, which was super yummy. That was my first time making fajitas or fajita veggie steak fajitas. I don't know, but it was really yummy. Unfortunately, it's 9 o'clock. I have to go to the office tomorrow, so that means I have to wake up at 5 a.m. to catch the bus. That concludes the end of the vlog today. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.